Hello friends, welcome to my video. So in this last video we have studied about name pipes or FIFO. So here we will take a comparison between two flavors of creating this FIFO. So one is mkfifo. Okay, so we have mkfifo and mknode. So we'll draw a comparison which one to use and which one not. So let's see how mkfifo works on the Linux command terminal. So mkfifo will give the name of FIFO, like we have FIFO 1. So let's name it like this for testing. So if we take ls-lrt here, so we'll get this FIFO of type pipe. Okay. So next, what I will do, I'll create a second FIFO using mknode. So I'll do mknode. Then we have FIFO 2, and here I have to put P. Okay. So this also create one FIFO. So if I do like this, both FIFOs are create of same type. Okay. So if we take uh, the man page of mknode. So we'll see here, this is a generic call. Can be used for device driver nodes of all the three types. Like we have P for FIFO, we have C for character device, and B for block device. We have other options as well, but we can create the device files on our system using this, and we are using this one to create the FIFO. So this is not specific to FIFO. So this can be different for different systems because this is not a specific wrapper for FIFO. Okay. So we should not try to use these FIFO because this might be confusing. If you take if you take B in spite of P, then it will create a problem. Okay. So chances of error are more in case of this MK node. But if you take an example of mkfifo, it is self-explanatory that that call is being used to create the FIFO. Okay, so these FIFOs, whatever we create here, is kernel memory is consumed. So by default, I think this one also will take 64 KB of memory in kernel. So what I will do, I'll just take one FIFO and we'll try to test how the buffer is being passed. So I'll take a command echo. I'll take hello from writer. Okay. And I'll put it in FIFO 1. Okay. So once we do this, it goes into a blocking state. On the second side, I have to open the same FIFO. So I'll go inside this, and what I will do, I will cat FIFO 1. Okay, so you will get this hello from writer. Okay, the same thing if we want to check the the size of that FIFO, how much is the default size. So on the Linux system, I can use slash proc file system in a sys and fs and pipe max size. So it's come out to be this one for maximum limit. I think it's close to 1 MB. Okay. So if we take the default size, so pipe, I think it's there. Uh, okay. So this way, uh, the same we can do for the other pipe as well. Okay. So the same thing, echo, I can do for pipe 2 as well. So I will take hello on second one, and here I get the same. Okay, so both the pipes are fine, but the naming convention we have to be very cautious. Okay, so from this is from the Linux terminal. So if we use the C program, so I'll take the example of the last session program. So here what I have done is I'll take mkfifo. So they have two options. We'll use the file path mkfifo here and the permissions only. And its return type is 0 for success and non-zero for non-success. So similarly, if we want to change this to mknode, then in mknode, I have three parameters. Okay, so if you take, I have to take the flag. So I will be very cautious about the flags, what I am using here for FIFO. Okay, then I have to give the permissions, and then the third is 0. So if we do like this, I'll change the name, 3, I think. So just for creating the node, I'm doing this. Okay, so GCC hyphen O process X. I will take, and process A is here, that is our process. So I'll run process X. Okay, so FIFO 3 is created here. So if I remove this and check, FIFO 3 is there. So ls hyphen lrt will get FIFO 3 as well as a part of it, right? Okay, so if I check the man page of mknod, so if I take the flags of mknode, then I will find out that this is something called as mode. Okay, so the mode should be, the file must have these, flags. Okay, so these should be for the character, device file, block device file, FIFO, as we've seen in the Linux command. So this we can use. So the main summary of all this is we should use mkfifo because it's available in C code as well as a binary in Linux. So that is specific to FIFO, and mknode, if we want some device driver or some other devices, then mknode should be used. So this is all about this comparison. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next session. Thanks.